So my dear students of grade 10 ICSE, can you people see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Thank you so much. Now you people would be curious to know that, sir, what is this scene all about? My God, this is the scene of 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. The chapter's title is My Greatest Olympic Prize. So, my dear students, this is an autobiography of a legend, a legendary athlete named Jesse Owens. Mind-blowing athlete. He, at one point of time, challenged Hitler. And who is Adolf? Who was Adolf Hitler? The German dictator. The German dictator. He was very powerful, my dear friends, very, very powerful. German dictator Adolf Hitler. He followed one theory, and the theory's name was Aryan supremacy theory. As per this theory, the blacks were being dominated. There was a lot of discrimination against the black. And as per Hitler, only the whites means obviously white people, white community, they could only be the part of the master race. And which master race am I referring over here? That is 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. In this chapter, I know you people are going to show a lot of interest, reason why it is related to sports and games. And you youngsters, you are very keen to know about all this. Yes, it's a real story. It is an autobiography of Jesse Owens. And now you people must be curious to see Jesse Owens. So let's see who was Jesse Owens. See this. There he comes. Oh my God. What a runner. What a runner. Excellent. Excellent Jesse Owens. Look at his speed. Oh my God. Is he running faster than a leopard? He has created wonders. He actually created wonders in the 1936 Olympic Games. So look at the crowd, look at his achievements. Amazing, amazing. Jesse Owens, you are amazing. So this is what we are going to study. Yes, we are going to study about his achievements. Yes, we are going to study about Jesse Owens winning of 4 gold medals back to back in the 1936 Olympics. You know why am I exaggerating so much? Taking his name, reason why. Jesse Owens was not from a very, very rich family that he would be getting many facilities at that point of time. No. He was from a middle lower class family. And then too, he practiced a lot. He had disciplined himself for the past 6 to 8 years so very well just to defeat the theory laid down by Hitler. He disliked the theory of Hitler. Hitler said that only the whites can be a part of master race. What kind of discrimination this is? And this is the reason Jesse Owens, he had already set up in his mind that he would definitely enter into the 1936 Berlin Olympic Games and create history. And he did that. Jesse Owens did that. But there is a more interesting thing coming up. You think that Jesse Owens would have done it all alone? Obviously, in the race, he would have definitely run all alone. But there was one more person because of which Jesse Owens has actually written this chapter, this autobiography, and this is why you people are reading it. So let's see whether he is there in the video or not. None other than German athlete Luz Long. Where Hitler, he is also a German. He was under Adolf Hitler, or you can say he was in Hitler's team. And this is Jesse Owens, a black, who was actually facing this discrimination done by Hitler. You won't believe, in Berlin, Luz Long was the one who had helped Jesse Owens to enter into finals. Otherwise, Jesse Owens had committed 2 fouls. He would have been definitely kicked out of the game so easily after committing the 3rd foul. So let's see whether Luz Long, this German athlete, is there in this video or not. Oh, Jesse Owens, I know you might have praised Luz Long for all this. This is Luz Long. Oh my God. Oh my God. There is no one in the picture also. So I think so you would be able to see both of them over here. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. Not over here. There they come. Wow. This is the German athlete along with a black. Look at this, what they have done. They have created history. You won't believe, Luz Long, a German athlete, Jesse Owens, a black. And look at how Luz Long has actually given so much of importance to a black in his country. Awesome work, excellent. And this is why Jesse Owens had won medals back to back, just because of the motivation laid down by Luz Long. You won't believe, we have seen this, that in games, our coaches, they teach us to go and fight against the competitor. Just knock him down. But there are athletes like Luz Long who have actually proved that true sportsmanship. You won't believe, in his autobiography, whose autobiography? Jesse Owens' autobiography, he has mentioned about the long-term friendship with Luz Long.